Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. This is going to be an updated brow routine. My brow routine is super duper simple, so don't be mad when you find out that it's literally not much that I do. I usually either do a pomade or I will sometimes do a pencil. It depends on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I'll do both. It just depends. A lot of you guys were interested to see how I did my brows, so I'm excited to show you guys what I do. I've gone through so many phases of brows back in the day. I actually did one of these videos back in 2016 or 2017. It may be deleted, I'm not 100% sure. It's possible it's deleted because I just recently deleted a lot of my old videos, especially ones that were just like not that good. I have some that are still up that are not that good. The link is down below. If it's not down there, then just know I deleted it because it was a mess. So ignore my nails in this video. I was going to do them before this video, but I wasn't gonna have time to film this video after I get my nails done. So I'm trying to be consistent, so I'm trying to stay on the consistency tip, so I can't be like waiting. So if you guys have any questions about any of the products that I used or questions about your brow type, make sure to leave it below. I don't mind answering any questions, or you can always send them to my Instagram, which a lot of you guys do, so thank you guys for that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the video. Please be sure to thumbs up this video so I know that you guys like this kind of content. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and please make sure to click the little bell notification so you guys never miss a video, because I'm a tiny YouTuber. Like, I'm not even a small YouTuber, I'm a tiny YouTuber. So YouTube is definitely not going to be showing my videos, so just so you don't miss any, please make sure to click the little bell. Okay, as always, love you guys for watching, really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in a second. So using my Morphe brow cream, that's pretty much what we're going to use for the base of my brows. I first like to brush my brows upward. This is a great opportunity to use a volumizing brow gel, or you can take a white and clear bar of soap and just brush that onto your brows to create a really volumized effect. Now I'm just underlining my natural brow line. I don't tend to overdraw my brows. I like it to stay as natural as possible. And you'll notice that I just trace the outside of my arch area. Towards the front, I don't add in too much product. I'm just kind of brushing in hair-like strokes. I like to go in with a darker brow product just to emphasize my tail and the arch of my brow. You could definitely use a pencil for this as well. Sometimes I do. It just all depends on how you feel. And just moving on to the other brow, you'll just notice I basically play a game of coloring. I'm just tracing the bottom, tracing the top, and then filling in to let them meet. Once I get to the front, I'm just lightly brushing and lightly stroking. You'll notice brows are just a big trial and error. You'll notice that I go back and forth between both brows. Honestly, sometimes I'll be done with my face and I go back to my brows. Brows are just something that stay consistent throughout your whole routine. You're always going to go back and brush them out or add more. It's super normal. Don't worry about a thing. Gonna go ahead and add some clear brow gel now. I love doing this because this is just going to ensure that your hairs will stay standing up and how you would like for them to stay. If you applied a volumizing brow gel, you can definitely still apply a clear brow gel just to keep the hairs in the right position. This is key. This is the NYX micro pencil, and oh my gosh, it is so small. It's super tiny. It does a great job at creating fake hair, so I like to go in and just kind of brush along the front of my brow. This part is super optional. I take a little bit of concealer and I will define my arch area as well as the bottom of my brow. I don't typically go to the top of my brow too much. I will just kind of outline the top of the arch. You can definitely go full top and bottom if you'd like. If you like that more perfect on fleek type brow look, then you can definitely do that. That's just not really my style anymore, and I like for it to look as natural as possible. And here I'm just taking my concealer down to my lid just to prep for whatever eyeshadow. So that was pretty much it. Thank you guys so much. I hope this was easy and quick enough. I didn't want to hold you guys too long, but this is just pretty much my everyday brow routine at this point. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.